In this video, how to upload documents on Docusign, I will show you step by step how to upload documents in Docusign. First, go to the Docusign website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you will see the main account dashboard. Now, click the button called New or Send an Envelope. This option allows you to add documents for signature. Click the Upload option to upload a file. You can also drag and drop the file into the upload area. Select the document from your computer. Docusign supports PDF, Word, and other file formats. After selecting the file, click Open. The document will be uploaded to the platform. Now you can add recipients for the document. Enter the name and email of the person who will receive the file. After that, click Next to continue. Now you can add fields to the document. Drag the signature field to the desired location. You can also add text or date fields if needed. Review the document to make sure everything is correct. After that, click the Send button to send the document. The recipient will receive an email with the document for signing. This is how you can easily upload documents using Docusign.